adding up to 10 decimal numbers. We add decimal numbers 10 times. Let's see how we do this. 0.25 plus 0.25. We get 0.5, 0.75, 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2, 2.25. The last one is 2.5. Now we add 0.5. Add 10 times. Let's see how we do this. 0.5 plus 0.5 equals 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and now is 5. Let's see another example. 0.75 adding 10 times. 0.75 plus 0.75 is 1.5, 2.25, 3, 3.75, 4.5, 5.25, 6, 6.75, now 7.5. Now we add 1. 1 plus 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 1 equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do another example of 1.25 decimal numbers. We add these decimal numbers 10 times. 1.25 plus 1.25 is 2.5, 3.75, 5, 6.25, 7.5, 8.75, 10, 11.25, 12.5. Now we add 1.5 10 times. Let's see what's the answer. 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3, 4.5, 6, 7.5, 9, 10.5, 12, 13.5 and 15. 1.75 plus 10 times with the same number. So the answer is 3.5, 5.25, 7, 8.75, 10.5, 12.25, 14, 15.75, 17.5. Now we add the whole number, not a decimal number, is the whole number is 2. 2 add 10 times. So the answer is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2.25. The next number is 2.25. We add 2.25 10 times. So the answer is 4.5, 6.75, 9, 11.25, 13.5, 15.75, 18, 20.25, and now 22.5. The next decimal number is 2.5. Now we add 2.5 10 times. So the answer is 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5, 15, 17.5, 20, 22.5, now 25. 2.75. The next number is 2.75. We add 2.75 10 times. So the answer is 5.5, 8.25, 11, 13.75, 16.5, 19.25, 22, 24.75. The last number is 27.5. Now we add the whole number. This is number 3. We add number 3 10 times. 3 plus 3 is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. After the 3, we add 3.25 decimal number 10 times. 3.25 plus 3.25 equals 6.5, 9.75, 13, 16.25, 19.5, 22.75, 26, 29.25, 32.5. The next decimal number is 3.5. Now we add 3.5 10 times. So we get lots of new decimal numbers. 3.5 plus 3.5 equals 7, 10.5, 14, 17.5, 21, 24.5, 28, 31.5, and now the last one is 35. The next decimal number is 3.75. Now we add 3.75 10 times. So the answer is 7.5, 11.25, 15, 18.75, 22.5, 26.25, 30, 33.75 and 37.5. Now we add the whole number. Number 4. We add 4 10 times. So the answer is 4 plus 4 is 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and last one is 40. Let's understand what are decimal numbers. Decimal numbers have a decimal point. They show parts of a whole. For example, 0.25, 0.50, 0.75, 1.25 and so on. In this video, we use repeated addition to understand decimal clearly. Decimal plus practice equals faster math. Keep practicing and enjoy math. See you in the next video. Bye.